Hello foodies, Diwali is right around the corner and everybody is looking for some unique new recipes. So here is my Champakali Namkeen recipe. This is called Champakali, just basically the flower champa, which is chafa in Marathi. So the flower looks like this, so that's why it's Champakali, and it can be made in sweet, the namkeen salty recipe today. So let's start with the ingredients. Alright, so let's make this tea time snack, which is called Champakali. So let's get 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, 3 tablespoons of pure ghee, 2 tablespoons of maida, 4 teaspoons of carom seeds, salt to taste, and crushed black pepper, of course oil to fry. Alright, let's start with making the dough. So add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper powder, carom seeds, just crush it on your palms, and mix this well first. This is the main process now, that you're going to add butter or ghee. The best results will come with the ghee, so add about 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now you have to use your hands to massage this ghee to this maida. Make sure the ghee is well incorporated. This is the main step, that you'll have to, before adding water, you have to get the ghee well combined with this flour. So don't rush to the next step. Make sure you have the ghee well incorporated here. So the good sign of making a good dough is, once you get this dough, make sure this forms like this and there are no breakups here. So again, if you want to massage a little more, just do it. And adding oil is another option, but if you want that crispiness to the snack that you're making, I would recommend pure ghee. Again, let me show you that once you get the dough in your hand, it should form like a ball, and as you can see, it's easily forming. Time to add some water and make the dough. Alright, so water is needed to form the dough. You can also use milk, but I prefer water since this is a salty dish. Just add little by little. So this dough should not be very thick or very thin. I have to make it like a tight dough. So I have used less than half a cup of water. So gotta massage this dough really nicely. Okay, so as you can see, this is the type of dough we need. it gives the layers already. So just massage it, and I'm going to keep it covered for about 15 minutes so that our dough is nice and soft. So whatever ghee is left over here, just add it and keep it covered for 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes are done. Let's knead this dough once again. Okay, so let's make 2 big balls here. And we're gonna roll this to a big giant roti. That's some flour. Roll this roti. Okay, as you can see, that's nice and thin. Hole here. If you have cutter, the round cutter, you can make use of that. So start cutting. Make all the equal portions. Remove all the excess and keep it covered with the next set of dough. Alright, so let me keep them aside. Show you the thickness of the roti. Here you go. So let's make slits just like so. Just in the middle. Do not touch the corners. And then start rolling just like so. Just fold it. Keep folding. Keep folding. Keep folding until you see it's all done. And now just pinch the edges so that it won't break. Okay, another one is ready. Here you go. 19 to 20 champakali is ready, and my oil is getting hot. So my flame is on medium high. Let's start frying these champakalis. Not gonna add too many, just 3. We are going to fry this until it turns golden brown. Very yummy and tasty snack, and it looks so beautiful. So this Diwali, I hope you make this new recipe, and impress your family, friends.